Well, thank you for having me. On behalf of Senator Burr, just want to thank all of you for what you do around North Carolina and around the country, and all that you have done and will continue to do to make our country a better place to work and live and be in. Also want to thank you for the way in which you're so inclusive to people who are not Hmong, like myself. It's been a great experience for this year and the last year that I was here, and I've never been around a group of people that were more inclusive and welcoming to show off their culture to others. So thank you so much for what you do, and may the next year bless you as well as this year has. Thank you.
เขาจะไปตู่ประธานทรงสื่อมัวเราชดเชยเราโมของปลีบูดเอาไปตู่ representative This is a gift on behalf of the organization.
Thank you so much.
Well, I'm a little embarrassed. I've been in Hickory for 50 years, and I have never been at one of your celebrations, and I have missed it. I should have been here every year. I have to apologize for Rudy Wright. He could not make it. He's in China spending some of his money and having a good time, I believe. But I'm delighted that he's there, and I was able to come here in his place. This is just a fabulous, fabulous festival, and Happy New Year to everyone for the 15th festival. And always remember, your family is our family in Hickory. We're delighted you're here, and we look for many, many more years of successful associations. Thank you very much.
If you'll just stay here for just a second, we have our president and vice president coming to give you a thank you gift. This is a traditional tribal necklace that is worn in Hmong culture with our traditional clothing, and it's our way of giving thanks to you, and it's always been tradition to bestow upon guests special gifts.
I'm among the Hmong. That's right. Thank you.
ทั้งประเทศนั้นเราไปตู่ Mayor Pro Tem Mr. Zagaroli นะ Next up, I would like to invite Chief Tom Atkins of the Hickory Police Department to come give a speech.
Najong. On behalf of the men and women of the Hickory Police Department, I want to thank you for having us here today. It's always a pleasure to come back and see old friends and make new. I've been in Hickory about 27 years, a little bit less than Mr. Zagaroli, and I've been here a few times, sir, and you've been missing out. This is just a great way to celebrate the new year, out with the old, in with the new. And I just want to wish you and your families a great new year. Have success and prosper well. Thank you.
เขาจะประธาน
I believe that's Wajo. Huh?
ชดเราโมของปลีโดไปตู่ Chief. Chief Tom Atkins. Please give a round of applause for Mr. Tom Atkins.